AR glasses always fascinated me, but I never had the chance to try out a pair until now. These are the INAIR 2 Pro AR glasses. They are more than just a pair of AR glasses, they also come with the INAIR pod. This is the world's most powerful spatial AI computer and the brain of your AR glasses. Whether you are new to the world of AR or already a power user, there is something in this product for you. Because it will revolutionize the way you work and play, bringing spatial computing to even other brands' glasses. In the package, you get the AR glasses themselves, a carrying case that folds flat for transport, the INAIR pod, charging cables of course, a USB splitter dock so you can charge the pod while using it, a wireless foldable keyboard, the carrying case, and the INAIR Wake key, which allows to wake your device from a remote location. Let's start with the glasses. They are not heavy at all and have prescription lens mounts included in the package. So if you usually wear glasses, you can get lenses made specifically for this from your optometrist. On the left side, we have two volume buttons. At the end of the right arm, there is a USB-C port. There are speakers integrated in each arm as well. And if we tilt them, we can actually see the screen. The left arm also has capacitive touch functions, so you can adjust the level of immersion or reality transparency. These have multiple use cases, from using them directly with your phone, they can mirror your phone's display, using them as an external display for your laptop, or you can use them with the INAIR pod for a spatial computing experience. When paired with a computer, they are best used with their integrated software, which allows you to change the size of the display and a few other options. Moving on to the pod, on the back side we see ventilation holes. The bottom has a USB-C port for charging it and connecting to the AR glasses. In the middle we have the AI assistant button. Left side has two volume buttons, right side power button, and this is the big capacitive display with touch functions. It also has included an accelerometer, gyrometer and everything, so you can actually use this as a wireless remote in the AR workspace. The keyboard is super thin, so it can be easily stored in the travel pouch, but as you can see, it has all the keys you would ever need, complete with a touchpad and mouse buttons. This also has a charging port on the top, and it can be easily paired with a pod just by pressing function B to turn on Bluetooth. The perfect use case for this is creating an immersive working experience without being in the office or carrying around big clunky monitors. No matter if you are in a cafe, on the train, or in a shared office building, you simply put on the glasses, connect them to either the pod or your laptop, and you're good to go, continuing your work without interruptions. To connect the glasses to the pod, you simply attach the 45-degree angle USB cable to the glasses and then connect it to the pod. You'll see a small message here saying connecting. Let's take a closer look at the pod now, which is actually the star of the show here. It is not just a remote control, it is actually a fully featured Android device, allowing you to handle all your work wherever you are. From this, you can connect to your phone, to your computer wireless, use the INAIR Wake key to wake up your computer if it's sleeping somewhere at home, and also handle this 3D space I'm in. So because it's Android, it has all the apps you would need, like an ebook reader, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. These two are not installed yet, but you can do that later. There's also a gallery here where you can view your images, and it can transform these and your videos into 3D. Space photo, space video, connection to your phone, INAIR space. With this you can connect to your computer. We of course have settings, Facebook, Snapchat, all the good stuff not installed yet. You can do so if you want. Google Chrome is present here. Because it's running Android, it has the Play Store, a file manager, Netflix for your after-work entertainment, Microsoft Teams, Slack, and a bunch of other apps that are useful for you to have. With the buttons on the left side, we can adjust the volume that is being played through the speakers on the glasses. This button in the middle right here triggers the AI assistant. Open YouTube. See? Super easy. Also, we can drag and adjust the position of this window, and if we scroll forward or backward, we can push it farther away. Here on the bottom we see a docker of most used apps, also notification center, and then you have settings, INAIR space to connect to your computer, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, the screen brightness, the immersiveness, which is basically going to control the electro dimming on the glasses so you can see or you cannot see the environment, brightness in the glasses, and so on. Also on top here, you can actually turn off the device. Of course, we're not going to do that now. And as you can see, all your apps that you have open are going to stay here. As mentioned, you can control them, push them further away, bring them forward, move them left to right. And the tracking is very good. Considering the 120 Hz display, it's super smooth and fast. We can, of course, close these, bring them forward. And here in the picture viewer, we can turn regular 2D pictures into 3D with the help of AI. This is not going to translate on video, but the tree right here with its leaves and branches are popping up to the front, and the monkey in the background stay in the back. Same thing is going to happen with videos, and it seems we have a selection of movies preloaded here. Of course, they need to be downloaded for you to watch. Let's see, Costa Rica. The 3D effect is surprisingly convincing. I'm sorry it's not going to translate on camera, but it's super good, comparable to the experience you're going to get in a movie theater with dedicated 3D glasses. Okay, I can sit here for hours on end. Let's close this. There's also a wide selection of books you can actually read. So as you see, this is not only a very helpful tool for your work, but it can also help you relax after hours. Watching a movie, watching videos, reading a book. It's an extremely versatile tool. I will plug the INAIR 2 glasses directly into a MacBook now to show you how well this can increase productivity while away from home. First, I will dim the reality transparency to increase the immersion and see my workspace better. Personally, I like the triple screen setup the best. It allows for a natural movement from left to right. We can have a large language model AI on the left to assist us and give tips. Then on the middle screen, I want to open up Premiere Pro, my editing software of choice. All the text is super sharp, easy to read, really feeling like a big screen right in front of me. I will ask ChatGPT to give me some transition ideas. And while that is working in the background, let's open Photoshop so I can continue working on a thumbnail. Moving apps between screens feels just like native macOS, because it basically is. Let's see what ChatGPT came up with for my transitions. As you can see, everything is butter smooth and very seamless. As mentioned before, the left to right movement feels very natural, just like you would use 3 separate monitors on your desk. Another cool gadget included is the INAIR Wakey. You just plug this little dongle to your computer, sign in with an account, and then you can wake it up from wherever you are, so you can continue working without interruptions. So regardless of where you are, as long as you have an internet connection, this compact package gives you a powerful Android spatial computer, an immersive big screen experience, complete with a compact keyboard. When other people struggle with a small laptop screen, you can unleash full productivity on the go just by putting on a pair of glasses. team messaging apps, spreadsheets, or video projects, they are all within reach. And when you're done with your work, you can sit back, relax, and enjoy a good book or a captivating movie, all without people looking over your shoulder. Complete privacy. If you already own Viture, X-Real, or Rainio glasses, this pod acts as a powerful brain, unlocking new capabilities for your existing gear. For Rainio, for example, there is full 3 degrees of freedom support, something the glasses never had before. Another very cool feature of the pod is that you can connect it to a compatible 3D projector, and it will transform any media that is streamed through it into 3D projections. Also, with the latest 3.5 update, the AI assistant now can help with system questions. The full knowledge database has been updated, so make sure you keep your pod up to date. So let's wrap this up. With the INAIR 2 Pro, you get a complete bundle ready to go. It enables you to be mobile with very little extra gadgets you need to carry around. The pod is super small, the glasses are light, and the keyboard folds super flat. This combo allows you to work from anywhere on a big screen, or why not multiple screens. Full privacy, you can dim the transparency all the way down to be more focused on the task at hand, and if you need something from the home computer, just wake it up and access it through the INAIR Wakey. I think it's a super cool device with more potential that I didn't even have time to explore right now. If you want to see for yourself what this package can do, pick one up with the link in the video description. But if you already have one, or maybe a similar model, let me know in the comments down below what your experience has been like. I'd love to hear it. As always, like the video if you enjoyed it, consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos just like this one, and I'll see you next time.